This video is going to give you an overview of the Rombus OBM software. To open OBM, double click the icon on your desktop or go into your Start menu. Once logged in, you'll see your summary page. Here you can see your quota usage, your statistics, and when your last backup was performed. To check the log of your last backup, click the View Log button here. You can choose to view previous logs by selecting the drop down here and the logs for different backup sets. If you want to change your contact email address, you can do so by clicking the Profile button here. Click Add or Remove to change your email addresses. To perform a backup, click the Backup button here. You can choose which backup set you'd like to run, and by clicking Options you can choose if you want to back it up to the off-site or to a local hard disk or maybe mapped network drive. Click OK to run the backup. Network drive. Click OK to run the backup. To see how the backup went, you can click the View Log button. The way the program works is based on backup sets. These backup sets can be scheduled. To change the settings or create a backup set, click the Settings button here. The settings we are viewing here are for the backup set called Fills. If you want to delete a backup set, select the minus button here, or if you want to add a backup set, click the plus button. Type in a name for the backup set and then select what type of backup set you want to create. These settings here will depend on the backup set type you've selected. These are the settings for the file backup we're creating. You can select the quick options here, or you can select the advanced button to select further files and folders that you want to be backed up. Once you've ticked them all, click OK to continue, and then click Next. This section here determines when the schedule will run. Untick this or tick this if you want the backup set to be scheduled or unscheduled. Select the Property button to determine when the backup will run. Here you can change when the backup runs. You can select the type and change the time, and if the backup will run till it's complete or if it will stop after a number of hours. Click OK to confirm, click Next, and click OK to continue. Once the backup set is created, it will be available from the drop down box here. If you want to change the settings for the backup set, select it, and then here you can change the name, and you can also change the backup source, the schedule again, how long the files are kept for, if any files are to be filtered before they're backed up, and you can also change the temporary directory for storing the files. The command line tool is only really needed for advanced backup options. Click OK to confirm your settings. If you want to restore any files, select the Restore button here. Select the backup set for which the files are associated to and click Next. Select the date you want to restore the files from, then browse to which files or folders you want to restore. I've selected this file here. And then you can either restore files to the original location or by selecting alternative location and changing it here, you can choose where you want to restore the file to. Click Start Restore to restore the files. You can view the restore log by clicking the View Log button here. If you want to restore more files, you can simply select them again select the date, where you want to restore them, and click Start Restore again. Otherwise, click Cancel. So that's about it for the basic overview of Rombus OBM. If you've got any more questions, please contact us. Thanks.